Welcome back. RRMine is a decentralized computing power asset management and trading platform that is based on the blockchain, and it does provide global users with open and transparent power management, trading, and other online services. And with me is the CEO of RRMine, Steve Tsou, to explain more about that. So welcome, Steve. It's great to talk to you.
Hi, how are you? Good, thank you.
Yeah, good. I'm doing well, and great to see you. I know you're in Sydney. I'm in New York, so I'm constantly amazed by this technology that we're able to communicate in real time
Yes,
on
me
the
too.
other side of the globe. It's amazing. So, Steve, RRMine has a unique business model. So, explain exactly what it is that you're doing.
Okay, sure. RRMine is a decentralized integrated computing power marketplace based on blockchain technology, which provides an open and transparent computing asset on chain, also pricing, trading, and the other online market services to global customers. It is the first decentralized computing asset and management and trading platform in the world. The core strategy of RRMine's digital economic model is all surrounding computing power asset. The underlying computing power asset is technical services, directly affecting cryptos, data, and the digitalization of physical assets. So with the development of digital economy, there is still enormous room for growth in the computing power market. The economic model behind is actually very innovative and is a stable matching mechanism. In simple terms, after up to another level, the digital economy can allocate market resources further and make existing computing capabilities to play a more significant role. On the one hand, it reduces the cost of the suppliers. On the other hand, it reduces the customer's entry threshold. Therefore, a real Web 3.0 is a digital economy. Compared with the traditional internet model, it's asset light. If you use the value proposition to draw an industry map, its model is smoothing the fluctuating curve of a win-win of the cryptocurrency industry. So the suppliers and demanders can achieve a win-win situation. All competition of every single product can meet a win-win situation in compliance with our platform model. To simplify all of this, RRMine is a decentralized hashrate marketplace. We offer hashrate trading and management services. We can buy and hold and trade off the hashrate plan.
Very
That's
interesting, Steve. So, give me a history of the company. When were you founded? What kind of problem are you trying to solve?
Yeah, RRMine was founded in 2017, the time before Bitcoin rocket up. So we have been through a very complex cycle. Our vision is that everyone can easily have the computing power. Our perception is that the digital and intelligence economy has opened a new era. It is Web 3.0 with a new operating system, new factors of production, and new relations of production. The most basic unit is computing power. It is a new energy, or I will call it a digital oil. It can motivate to activate a lot of devices. In the past 3 years, we have two key initiatives. First is contributing to launching a global intelligent computing network. It's called BHP Public Chain, which is a trust-based community and technology development. Second is be part of decentralized cloud computing ecosystem empowered by Zen Metrics. It is the decentralized computing power platform. For example, Zen Metrics is similar to AWS, Amazon Web Service. RRMine is identical to the Amazon.com. And the other Zen Metrics partners play roles such as payment or computing applications in the ecosystem. So as a result, RRMine is rapidly expanding with synergy within the ecosystem, now ranking as the #1 computing power asset platform. This is from a third-party data resource. In particular, we recently launched the Filecoin product, rely on IPFS technology with high expectations in the ecosystem. It has formed the world's largest Filecoin mining pool. RRMine has set a record on selling this Filecoin computing power product in 1 minute and 20 seconds, all sold out.
Okay.
So we are pretty much happy about the result.
Oh, sure. And Steve, who are your main users and what value do they get?
Okay, sharing is our belief. We want to share our computing power to the people. 80% of RRMiners have never heard mining before. Imagine. What about you? If you heard mining, what is your first thought? Some of them might know Bitcoin, but minimal understanding. They thought they have to hold, pick and shovel when I introduced RRMine to them at the first time. I mean, it's quite reasonable. Even myself, first time heard mining, the mining, I also think about same thing. You hold a shovel and pick and you have to actually dig something out. However, many of them are successful people with a proven track record in their field, such as financing or IT. They are not only the customer, they are also the communicators of our business and builders in the computing power ecosystem. We have a very strong community. Therefore, the value they obtain is not just earning Bitcoin directly, but also a potential long-term growth through holding computing power products.
Okay, so yeah, very interesting because I think there is still a lot of education in this space that needs to take place with people. So now, what are the advantages of RRMine compared to some other Bitcoin mining corporations that we've seen?
Yeah. Okay. So first time most of people heard RRMine, they think it's a mining firm or a data center only. But actually, we are not just a mining firm. We are a computing asset management platform, a hash rate marketplace. All competition of single product can achieve a win-win situation with a compliance on our platform model. So you can sell, buy, or hold your asset here. In the current stage, the platform technology is only a tool, but our core solution is positioning and pricing of those computing power. Okay, so you can easily sell here. It's a win-win ecosystem of computing power. In terms of our capacity and product, there are 3 advantages. First is flexibility. As a beginner, you want to play safe. You don't want to put too much risk. So you can buy our classic plan, which you can renew for free or trade off in some term to relieve your cash flow so you don't have to worry too much. And second is affordability. As little as 1 terahash to start your mining career. You don't need to put massive capital in to buy many mining rigs or pay like expensive energy bills to start. Because obviously, you know, the domestic energy rate and the commercial rate is totally different. And third is reliability. Through 3 years of operation, we already have over 100,000 RRMiners and over 100,000 mining rigs. We are very confident that all the customers have earned some profit and they have very happy about their result.
Mm-hmm. So Steve, instability and risk are always constant worries among Bitcoin miners. So how do you address that?
That's an excellent question. You know, the Bitcoin price fluctuation is always an issue. It can be 20,000 today and maybe 1,000 next month. There's always an issue there. But can you tell me anything that is risk-free? Anything? Saving in a bank? You know what happened in the past, right? And this happened to be the value of RRMine platform. Hashrate can be regarded as the secondary market of Bitcoin. We can provide a product with multiple terms, either 1 month, half a year, 1 year, or we also offer a C2C customer to customer trading market to meet the risk preference of different customer.
Mhm. So what has been invested in RRMine? Where's that money going?
Okay. So people are the most critical factor. We believe when you have the right people, then you will be able to do the right thing. There is nearly 300 staff around the world. We'll be able to do the right thing. There is nearly 300 staff around the world. Yeah, I say that already. Many focus on technology and product development. Some are from Baidu, Cisco, so they are IT staff, and some are from Morgan, Goldman Sachs. When they heard our project, they are very happy. With a diverse and international background, and we also hire scientists and cooperate closely with scientific research institute in those universities. Therefore, we invest in people the most. Furthermore, we have not done any finance because the platform's cash flow has been very positive. We are not the traditional internet burning money model. We have always used profit to support the platform, the ecosystem, and the public chain technology research and development.
Wow, very interesting because there is a lot of that cash burn that is out there.
Yes,
So
most of
um,
them.
that's right. That's right. So, okay. So, Steve, you're recently named a top 10 mining firm. So, tell me about that. Who was that? Who named you that, and why?
Okay, there was a World Digital Mining Summit held in Frankfurt, Germany last October 2019. It gathers thousands of insiders to the summit with lots of socializing, of course, and insightful news and tons of information going around. It's massive. I was there and it's very good. There were many data centers to compete from many countries. Fortunately, our USA data center has been nominated and won the award. So, however, RRMine position as a platform, it's important thing to contribute the development of computing power industry rather than just simply mining.
Okay. And then also, how does somebody get started? I mean, if they wanted to try this, what is the first step they should take? How does it work?
It's actually quite easy. First, I have to welcome to the world of computing power. Just scan the QR code here somewhere on the screen. Okay, it's actually quite easy that you can only jump on our website rrmine.com, or you can search RRMine in the App Store or Google Play, and or you can contact me or our sales team in the community, and also what's that? You can download app. Yeah, and congratulations to
Yeah.
all of you. From now on, you will have computing power assets and a new identity in this digital economy.
Okay. Then what is China doing in terms of cloud mining?
The mining industry is actually quite complete from manufacturer to cloud mining platform in China. China now has a natural industry foundation and advantage in this regard. It accounts over 90% of global market share in upstream hardware supply. So most of the mining rigs are made in China. Okay, and it also 70% in upstream software supplies. And midstream is mining farms, mining firms and pools. The mining pool is a virtual collection that gathers all the computing power. And from the policy point of view, the Chinese government is vigorously developing the blockchain industry. Okay? Bitcoin trading is not allowed, but mining is okay, especially establishing the digital economy sandbox in a Hainan free trading zone. Okay, so they put everything in a Hainan island. Our group and partner companies are highly supported by the government there, including the first to try connect digital asset, token, and the fiat currency together.
Okay. And then Steve, finally, what are the goals for RRMine in the next, say, 1 to 3 years? I know this is a rapidly changing industry, but what are your goals looking forward?
Yeah. In 2019, the majority of our miners were from Asia. Okay, most of them. Therefore, the most important thing for us is still global expansion. We try to introduce this to more people. We have deployed more than 10 branches and 20 community nodes around the world already. These partners and nodes will play an essential role in 2020. We'll keep expanding our business to other parts of the world. The second is the launch of our new computing power categories. We have launched Filecoin computing power already, just in this last month, and then the AI computing power will come into the market in the coming quarter. Besides, we will further optimize and upgrade the current product portfolio for crypto computing power. The other is the derivative product of DeFi, decentralized finance, and DEX, decentralized exchange for customers. The DeFi has been laid out at the end of 2019, and we will complete that in 2020 to meet customers' needs. And from 2020 to 2022, the volume of DEX will increase significantly with the implementation of underlying real-time pricing function. The three key points above are synergistic within our ecosystem. Everyone is welcome to join RRMine and become an enabler of computing power ecosystem.
Okay, wow. Well, thank you so much, Steve, for coming and explaining our mind, and also just in general, kind of helping illustrate how the world is changing.
Yeah.
Digital and decentralization are going to be key concepts I think we're going to be dealing with in the future. So,
Yes.
yeah. Thank you so much, Steve Child, the founder and CEO of RRMine. It's great to have you with us today.
Thank you, Jen. Thank you, everyone.